on this empty street. Memories haunt me with every heartbeat. Your laughter echoes like a ghost in my mind. A love once vibrant, now so hard to find. We danced in the dark under silver skies. Now I'm left with these tears and goodbyes. You were my light, my reason to fight. But now I'm lost in this endless night. Time moves slowly, but I'm racing ahead, chasing shadows of words that we said. I reach for your hand, but it fades away. In this cruel game of love, we lost our way. Shattered dreams, broken hearts, two worlds apart. We fell from the start. I scream your name, but it's lost in the air. In this heartbreak fog, I'm drowning in despair. Oh, the nights are cold and the days are long. Without your love, I can't be strong. I see your face in every passing car, a reminder of love that has gone too far. The songs we sang now feel so wrong. In this empty room,